Well, it's time to go to work. It's Wednesday. I'm pretty excited about the day, though I know not why. The door's locked. Well, hey, it's Wednesday, and that means it's time for Wednesday's quest, which I told you last week wasn't a real thing, but this Wednesday I need to pick up binders for the Alpha Youth film series and snacks. So I'm going to Walmart. Hopefully I have more luck at Walmart than I did at Target last week. Why don't you guys come with me? If you want to. Wednesday's quest at Walmart went great. Found binders, found somewhat healthy snacks for our group tonight. And now I'm about to go to work, but it's fall and it's sunny, so I'm going to fly the drone. About to go play golf with my brother, but not before a healthy breakfast. Earlier this morning, which was a bowl of Reese's Puffs, and it was delicious.
I'm juggling!
It is Friday night. Today started off with me going to play basketball. I got up at 5, got out the door about 5:15, got to Kelso High School, waited for a few minutes until the guy in charge showed up, and then realized that I didn't have my basketball shoes. And that is very frustrating to get up early, go somewhere to do something. It's about a 10-12 minute drive from my house, so it's not really worth it to come home and then go back because I'll be half done. So I just came home, took a nap in my car, went in, helped the kids get ready for school. Had a fairly productive day watching some YouTube and hitting the golf course with my brother for a bit. And now it's Friday evening. Josiah, what are we doing this Friday evening?
Going to the football game.
Who's playing football today?
The high school in Kelso.
Kelso. And we know some people in the band, don't we?
Yeah.
Brody Lee in the band. Tonight is Kelso High School's football homecoming game. We know one football player, like 3 people in the band. So we're headed out there. Should be a great time. We dressed warm because last time we went, we got there like halfway through the second quarter, saw the band's halftime show, and left like 2 minutes into the third quarter because we were cold and we were hungry, weren't we, Josiah? So this time we ate dinner, packed some trail mix, and have beanies. So we're ready to go. dressed warm, we took snacks, but we went early at like 6:20 to watch the marching band. So by the time the game started, we'd already been there for like 50 minutes. We made it through the first quarter, and then Josiah was bored, we came home, but we're excited. We're going to watch VeggieTales, have some popcorn, and probably both fall asleep on the couch. Super excited about that. Guys, thanks for checking out the video this week. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you later. Alligators.